To you.
0.
He's missing again. Hit it in there.
Yeet.
Oh, God. Goodness gracious.
Oh my god, I'm so good.
Dude.
Don't worry, I'm downfield scaring him. Look at me.
Oh, the
This on me,
speed.
and I was
Oh, the
just unleashing my
speed.
inner dog.
Ooh. Go around, Bencher.
Sink or swim. Or, wait, that's not the right saying.
Trip or drown. Yes, sir. Take those. No bounce.
Because we're playing some ranked.
Nar, 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 nar!
No.
Why did you say
That was cool. What's that?
Oh, man, that's good.
Nar, 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 nar.
I couldn't see what happened because I demoed that kid and then there was a smoke screen. Oh, nice shot. Little triple tap ski.
Wow. Here we go. To you. Back to me. In their net. Let's go! Goodbye. Oh, man. Don't even need to panic. Pokey in my wrist. I'm back in this bitch. Attacking your bitch. Bring back on your bitch. You think she just... I cut her off quick. Cut her off quick. I just had a musty too.
I drive really fast.
I drive really fast. I just hit a ceiling mustard while I was singing that too. Bottom.
Unfortunate.
Bink.
Bang out.
Got him.
No shot, dude.
Brozone. Oh, he even backed up a little bit. Oh my gosh. Yikes. Oh, and they leave. Just a left boost so that I didn't get it.
I'm just better. It's crazy. First game on.
To be fair, I was there for emotional support.
Ooh, middle. Ooh, pinch. Oh,
That was close.
so gross. Oh my gosh.
That would have been noisy.
Absolutely magnificent goal.
Dude.
Great pass.
Pass. Good pass.
Piss missile.
Oh, she's on the move. Fuck yeah.
Sheesh.
Gotta power this game out.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, how did that almost not go in?
So
Get
clean.
away from me!
So clean. Oh, just.
Wait, how did he almost save?
What? Jiminy Christmas.
Didn't really get to see it because I had to dodge a demo. Oh, bang.
Oh my Lanta. Oh my god. That went so fast.
Nice shot.
Oh.
Nice shot.
Bink. Chickadoop. Ha.
Backward. Nice, open.
Skirt. Soo. 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 Soo.
God damn it, you little fucking
Axles.
gremlin.
Swoop.
You dickhead.
There's a chance, boys. Oh my god, I faked him. Oh my god, score it, score it, score it.
I can't believe that.
Bang. Damn, I timed that one up too.
8 inches is way too much. Holy fuck. That's way too much for me. I don't want any churro that's that big.
I'd think about it. I contemplate. It depends on the mood.
Yeah,
really
right.
good.
Depends on the circumference of that churro.
I guess you're right. If it's a skinny churro, man, I'm fucking housing that thing.
Right,
Mhm.
right.
Yeah.
I'm up.
Should be no
Austin?
fucking reason we ever lose this game.
Nice.
Fucking
shot.
what a goddamn shot.
We got time, we got time. Like that.
I'll keep chasing demos.
Little fucking bang.
Oh, that's a really nice shot, Austin.
And your
That touch. Just enough saves.
Nice hit. Nice shot. I was gonna go for that. Bang if you can. Back middle. Back to you.
No. Okay.
Nice.
I was about to say.
God.
Good play.
Nice shot.
Cross. He's chasing. What a
Good
hit.
pinch. Oh my.
What?
Got him. Oh, got him.
That kid is so sad. You wiener.
Dude was big scared.
Oh, he was so nervous.
Is he at the toilet paper boost?
One more
I
minute.
don't know what else you could do with that.
Oh!
And now you can
Got
fucking
him.
score, you fucking squid. Holy shit. Built like an absolute unit. Bang! Get in there. I was just so amazed.
Oh, got him.
Oh, Jesus
Sheesh.
Christ, Christ. Look at Ronaldo getting in there. Holy shark. Give this guy a 100 mil contract. Oh, I hit him with the Oh yeah, flipper.
Oh, good shot.
Got him with the butt kiss.
Oh, shit.
Got him.
You literally full spread the cheeks on him. What the fuck? Austin. Take it, Austin. Get there.
Wow, how on earth does that score? Where is he? Oh! You just faked the dick out of me. You just faked the dick out of me. Oh my lord.
Wait, let me see
Oh
this.
my lord. Oh. I'm back.
Yee.
Confused.
Dude, you sound like a fucking train. Man said, you actually sound like a train.
Shit, talkie mushroom. You literally ate them up. Holy shit. God. Big chomper. Holy
I hope
shit.
you know whenever you guys hear me say going for demo, that is the noise that goes through my head. Dude, what is up with...
Body,
Oh.
body.
Bears in the coop.
Okay.
He's just better. He's just better.
My
My presence scared him so much.
He's like, I'm sorry, Dad, let me scored. No. Fuck. That's such poor timing. Why?
No.
Why? Fuck. That's
I'm back right. I'm back.
There you go, you fucking shooter.